i-share? Pero ikaw, yung tipo na gusto mo ba yung mag-start kayo as friends or gusto mo yung mapapangasawa mo, yung bang from scratch na makikilala mo?
Honestly, it doesn't matter. I believe in everything. I believe in love at first sight. I believe in being friends before you become partners, or you become lovers. I just believe in love. You know, however it will come.
Ano kayong magiging gauge mo para masabi mong ito na yung girl?
Pag nag-quit na ako. Allah!
Pag nag-quit ka na, diretso na sa pag-aasawa.
Tapos hindi, feeling ko.
Ano kaya magiging fallback mo? Pag...
Showbiz!
Showbiz pa rin.
Balik artista ulit ako. Ay, yung pag fallback sa babae?
Hindi, I mean pag nag-quit ka ng showbiz, paano mo
maraming business, ang dami ko pwedeng gawin, kaya naman lakas ang loob ko. Hindi naman kasi ako high maintenance sa tao eh. I still live in a condo, you know, but I can live in a house, but I don't live in a house because it's not practical. I don't want to be living in a big house tapos mag-isa lang ako, di ba? So, there are so many things, you know, through the course of my life here, in almost 20 years of being in the industry, wala naman akong ginawa kundi mag-invest, mag-save. So, one of the reasons why I could quit is because I can, you know, devote my time to these businesses na pinasukan ko through the years. Kailangan din kasi tutukan. So, it's just my sister, you know, doing everything on my behalf. And it'd be nice, you know, if I can be present also sa mga negotiations, sa mga meetings namin. So, there's definitely a fallback. Maybe not here, maybe in the States, but one thing I know is that I'll keep coming back here. Because we also have businesses in the States. So, I'll just shuttle between, you know, the States and the Philippines siguro.
Hindi ka naman bibili ng share ng ABS-CBN?
Meron. Joke. Hindi naman masyado na akong blessed sa ginawang sa binigay sa akin ng ABS. So, I think ang pinakamagandang regalo may bibili ko na lang sa ABS, if you can quote me on this, is that, you know, I started with ABS, I'll end my career in ABS.
After nung movie niyo ni Tony, sabi mo nga, mahirap sundan. Si Sarah kasi before, pag nakatatanong siya kung sino yung ultimate dream leading man niya, sabi niya, Piolo Pascual. Ikaw ba, kasi parang dati may mga talks na gagawa nga kayo. Ikaw ba gusto mo rin makasama si Sarah? And kung sakali, anong nangyari kung magkakaroon ba?
Definitely. She's one of the few na talagang gusto kong makasama. But kasi nagkasunod-sunod sa kanila ni Lloydie, di ba? And then I also got busy with soap and movies. So if it comes, when it comes, I hope matuloy.
So definitely habang ongoing yung Hawak Kamay, wala ka pang gagawing movie?
It's hard, especially pag hindi pa nga kami ina-air, nag-everyday taping namin. So I don't think I'll be able to devote time for shoot kung pagsasabayin ko.
Okay, thank you, Papa P.
Thank you.
Thank you.